democracy that CPC applies in China is also a result of socialism with Chinese characteristics. In China, I think there is a democracy, and the democracy is specific to the context and the practical realities of the Chinese people. And I think for CPC, democracy means result. Democracy means people-centeredness. Democracy means efficiency and effectiveness. Effective democracy that you have created, effective internal governance system that CPC has established, and also improving the legal system of the Chinese political arena have, I think, helped in terms of really solving the real problems of the people, which is poverty, reduction, and letting a very prosperous society in China. That's how you apply, not in terms of the rhetorics of democracy, but the results of it.